The 134th session of the China Import and Export Fair, also known as the Canton Fair, is now underway in Guangzhou, China. Overseas exhibitors and buyers have been amazed by its opening up and inclusiveness, saying it's a good chance for any supplier.
It is a good chance for any supplier. It is very big chance because right now all the world coming to China to buy product. You can see the people from different country, different nationality, they coming here during the fair.
Canton Fair is the biggest show in the world, so it's a good opportunity for Egyptian companies to participate in Canton Fair as an Egyptian pavilion.
For membership, attend this fair to introduce the Turkish products and to make the new corporate and Chinese company and other foreign companies.
More than 28,000 exhibitors will participate in the event, including 650 enterprises from 43 countries and regions. Over 100,000 buyers from more than 200 countries and regions have registered for the event, according to the fair. Launched in 1957 and held twice yearly, the fair is considered a major gauge of China's foreign trade.